I think I went overboard and shopped like too many ethnic footwears, so this calls for a haul. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome back to another video. आज का जो वीडियो है that's a festive या फिर ethnic footwear haul कह सकते हो आप from Amazon. Now we all know that the festive season is right here. Like there was Ganesh Chaturthi, then there is Navratri, Diwali, Dashera. So much is coming in and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि festive या ethnic footwear जो होता है वो हम सबके पास कहीं ना कहीं missing होता है, lacking होता है. तो मैंने रिसेंटली बहुत सारे एथनिक फुटवेयर्स लिए हैं एंड आई थॉट आई विल शेयर दैट विद यू गाइस. सो अगर आपको कुछ हेल्पफुल लगे या फिर आपको ऐसे लगे कि हाँ यार हमारे पास एथनिक फुटवेयर्स नहीं है, सो दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ फुटवेयर्स इन विच यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन. दे आर मोस्टली फ्लैट्स, देयर आर नो हील्स इन दिस हॉल, सो everyone can wear it and yeah, that's what today's haul is gonna be about. By the way, ये सारे products Amazon से हैं. Amazon पे offers भी चल रहे हैं, so you can get up to 50 to 80% off on some of your favorite fashion and beauty brands. Don't forget to check it out. वो मैं सब description में mention कर दूंगी, सब कुछ comment box में भी pin कर दूंगी, तो check कर लेना सारे links. And yeah, I'm very excited to show you guys what all I've got. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First item that I've got today is this, which is like a mule kind of thing. जुती और mule के बीच में है ये. This is by Shootopia and I love the floral print. जो ये floral print है काफी bright है and काफी सारी चीजों के साथ जा सकता है. Like whenever you're wearing ethnic wear, I think like pink, orange, all these are kind of colors जो हमेशा ethnic wear में होती ही हैं. So इसका base काफी neutral है and उसके ऊपर ये पूरा embroidered flowers बने हैं which look like really really pretty. So this is the first item I got. इसका base भी काफी soft है and it's like very very comfy. This is how it looks and I feel this is just one of those essential flats जो ethnic wear के साथ बहुत अच्छे लग सकते हैं. Like even if you are wearing like a short kurta or something like that, ये काफी अच्छा लगेगा उसके साथ. And this is very very comfy also. Usually ऐसे items मुझे लगता है most of the times उतने comfortable नहीं होते क्योंकि आगे से चोच टाइप होते हैं तो थोड़े suffocating लगने लगता है पैरों को. But this one is quite comfortable, so I love this one and I think this is just perfect for like everyday Indian wear and even for like when you are feeling dressy, just add this pop of color with your neutral outfit. It will look very very good. Next up, I got these black embroidered jutis. Now, I think black jutis are something जो बहुत easily नहीं मिलती है. So my sole reason for buying this was the color and the print. Like the print is also like very फुलकारी work या फिर कश्मीरी embroidery जो होती है. So these footwears are definitely something जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपके wardrobe में अगर है तो आप किसी भी outfit के साथ pair up कर सकते हो because the base is black and the embroidery is also so beautiful. I love ethnic footwears and this one is like very different from everything that I've had before. So I knew I had to get this one. The sole is also like very comfortable. बहुत ही कुशनी sole. I don't know how much it's like understandable on camera, but when you will press it, like it goes entirely in, which means it's like really really cushiony. तो material बहुत अच्छा है इसका and ये पहन के कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है. So I think for how it looks, it's definitely worth it. And if you are looking for like a black ethnic footwear, this has to be a sign. You have to buy this one. Okay, next footwear is my favorite footwear from this haul and it's this घुंघरू वाली जूतियाँ. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में हुई थी कुछ टाइम पहले and I did not buy it back then because मुझे ना एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का चाहिए था. मुझे मटेरियल अच्छा चाहिए था जो थोड़ा कुछ नहीं हो because when it comes to footwear, I prefer going for brands जिससे मैं longer wear के लिए पहन सकूँ and मेरे जो पैर हैं वो भी अच्छे कंडीशन में रहे. So this one is like so comfy. Like the material is like too good and I got this in like red color. They had other color variations also but मुझे red में चाहिए था कुछ. So इसमें ये ऐसे घुंघरू बने हैं जो ऐसा पायल वाला फील देते हैं. So these are like so pretty and ये इतने सारे एथनिक वेयर के साथ जा सकता है. देखने में बहुत ज्यादा प्यारा लगता है. So ये मेरा फेवरेट आइटम है इस हॉल से and I don't know what to say about this one because I'm just sold out for how it looks and feels and it's also quite comfortable. So win-win situation है. But I think ये सबसे ज्यादा expensive वाला footwear है पूरे हॉल में से because I can understand why, which is the reason why it's a little expensive, but that works with me. This is how it looks and I'm just so obsessed with this footwear. Like you'll see me wearing this in like a lot of get ready with me's and you know the reason why, because it's too comfy and it's just too pretty. Up, I got these jutis in this very beautiful teal green color. Now the color of the base of the jutis is just so pretty, plus बाकी पूरी जूती में भी ऐसा एम्ब्रॉयडरी हो रखा है. So I think one thing I really liked about Amazon lately is कि यहाँ पे जितने भी ethnic wear footwears थे, you will find a lot of embroidery वाले options जो अगर आप regular market में देखने जाओ तो नहीं मिलते हैं. So I think this is something that got me sold out for these, and they're so comfy again. So मुझे ये embroidery बहुत अच्छी लगी, and it's reminding me of Kashmir for some reason because वैसे ही tulips जैसे flowers बने हैं. So ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा item है, and this is how it looks when I wear it. I think this is just one of those items जो pastel color के आपके जितने भी outfits है ना उसमें चार चांद लगा देगा. So if you are someone who wear a lot of like ethnic pastels, तो ये काफी अच्छा है. And if you're a college going girly or a office going person who wears like a long skirts, mini kurta, short kurtas, उनके साथ ये काफी अच्छा लगेगा. So this is definitely one of those things जो daily wear के लिए again आप बहुत ज्यादा यूज कर सकते हो, and festive season के लिए तो of course है appropriate. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Next up, I got these viral coin वाले flats. Now these are again an ethnic flat, but these are like proper flats. ये जूती नहीं है, this is like flats. And ये बहुत ज्यादा viral हुए थे बीच में again because of this coin kind of detailing. ऐसा लगता है बीच में coin लगा है बड़ा सा, and I really like how it looks and feels. थोड़ा इंडो वेस्टर्न टच आ जाता है जो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया इसके केस में. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स थे, बट आई वेंट अहेड विद चेरी रेड बिकॉज कलर ऑफ द सीजन. एंड अगेन क्योंकि मैंने ब्लैक में ऑलरेडी जूतीज ले ली थी, सो आई वांटेड अ कलर विच इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, एंड दिस चेरी रेड वन एक्चुअली लुक्स ग्रेट. इसका मटेरियल इज गुड बट नॉट द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल वन, बट आई थिंक फॉर द प्राइस, बिकॉज आई गॉट इट फॉर लाइक ₹450, so I think for the price it's quite appropriate. तो कोई बहुत expensive नहीं है, and I know that I'll be wearing this for like occasional wear only. मैं इसको daily शायद से ना पहनूं, तो उस purpose में, उस case में I think this is just perfect. I'm not sure how long wear this is. मैं कितने घंटे तक इसमें comfy रह सकती हूँ, because I still haven't worn this yet. I have worn a lot of jutis already, but ये मैंने नहीं पहनी है अभी तक, but मुझे देखने में तो बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही थी, like this coin detailing and everything. Now this is how it looks. Honestly, look wise I'll give it like a 10 on 10. Comfort wise I still have to test it out, so if you want I can let you know in the community how I felt about it eventually, but definitely one of my favorite picks from this haul. Okay, coming to one last item from this haul. Now we did show a lot of jutis, एक ही flats था proper. Now there is something that is very trendy at the moment, and that are like ballet flats. So I got something from Bata. When it comes to flats, I always trust Bata. I have like 2-3 flats already from Bata, which are from Amazon, and I love that. आज के टाइम पे भी I can vouch for their quality. So I got these very pretty peach pinkish of peachish color को मैं क्या कहूँ मुझे नहीं पता, because the color is very unique. मैं कह सकती हूँ it's not a very regular color that you find in every store. So I got these and I love this. The sole is so good of this one. It's like very very comfy. Like Bata hai, so you can vouch for the quality, and I really like this bow detailing that they have given over here. So the bow makes it look like super cute. Now this is something that can go on both your Indian and your Western outfits as well. Like if you're pairing like a maxi skirt and a tube top, उसके साथ भी ये बहुत ही प्यारा लगेगा. And Indian के साथ तो of course you can wear it for like everyday functions, या फिर just regular रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में you're wearing like a simple सा कुर्ता सेट, उसके साथ आपको ballet flats पहनना है. So this can go like really well. So this is the next item that I got, and I love the quality, the fit, everything of this one. This is how it looks on my feet. I love it. And this has to be one of my favorite pairs between everything that I've got here. And the reason is the comfort and the color, because this is a very neutral color, with everything else being like party wear or festive wear. This is something I can wear in like everyday basis. So I knew I had to buy this, and that's the last item that I got. So yeah guys, these were all the items that I got from Amazon lately. Do let me know what you think about these, and आपका favorite कौन सा item है? If I have to pick mine, I think the red flats, the red jutis with the pile kind of thing, and these ballet flats. I am sold for all of them. In fact, सब कुछ यार, मुझे सारे ही items बहुत अच्छे लगे इस haul में. Do comment down below your favorites, and that's pretty much it for today's video. ये सारे items Amazon से है, सब कुछ description box में link कर दूंगी, सब कुछ comments में भी pin कर दूंगी, तो सारे links check कर लेना. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another haul video. Until then, bye guys, take care.